Hi, we're at Indo Pacific 2025 in Sydney, Australia, and I'm now visiting the Shield AI booth. Standing next to me is a full-scale model of the VBAT unmanned air system, and I'm joined by Mike Hanlon, Senior Director of International Business Development at Shield AI. Mike, great to meet you. Thanks, Xavier. It's a pleasure to be here. VBAT has been around for several years now, but earlier this year, Shield AI announced new operators in Asia. Can you tell us more about this system? Absolutely. VBAT is a low-cost, long-range, runway-independent unmanned aircraft designed for search and target acquisition in denied, degraded, intermittent, and limited environments. As you can see, it has a very distinctive vertical design. It launches exactly as it stands here, with no external assistance at all. One of the major upgrades in the latest generation is SATCOM capability, which gives the aircraft effectively unlimited range. It also features fully autonomous launch and recovery, enabled by the new landing gear. But what really sets VBAT apart is that it has been proven in combat, operating successfully in GPS denied and communications contested environments. Throughout this year, VBAT has been operated extensively in Ukraine, flown directly by Ukrainian forces, and it has shown exceptional results. From a maritime perspective, around 90% of our operations have taken place from ships or in maritime environments. The Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force has selected VBAT as its first ever shipborne ISR platform, and aircraft have already been delivered. Beyond that, we have customers across the Middle East, Europe, South America, and other regions, with a strong focus on naval operations. For sailors and naval end users, what makes VBAT different from other unmanned systems on the market? There are a few key factors. First, it's a very compact and expeditionary platform, which means it can be stored easily in a ship's hangar while remaining fully operational. Second, it's one of the safest unmanned aircraft available. The propeller is fully enclosed, which significantly reduces the risk of injury during operations. Because of its true VTOL design, VBAT operates safely on decks alongside helicopters and other high-value assets. That means navies don't have to sacrifice existing manned aviation capabilities to add a powerful unmanned system to their fleet. Recently, Shield AI also announced the new XBAT. From a naval perspective, what can you tell us about this program? We're extremely excited about XBAT. It's the world's first AI-piloted VTOL strike aircraft. While the concept of VTOL fighters isn't entirely new, earlier programs lacked the engine performance and relied on human pilots to land in very challenging conditions. We've solved both of those challenges. Shield AI has partnered with GE to integrate the F110 engine, which has tens of millions of proven flight hours. And with our AI pilot and mission autonomy system, known as Hivemind, the aircraft no longer requires a human pilot to operate or recover. Our Senior Vice President of Engineering previously led major programs at SpaceX, including Falcon 9, bringing valuable experience in vertical flight and recovery. From a maritime standpoint, navies around the world are showing strong interest because XBAT enables collaborative combat aircraft type capabilities without the need for traditional runways. The VTOL flight test program is planned to begin in 2026, followed by conventional flight testing in 2028, with initial operational capability targeted for 2029. Mike, thank you very much for your time. Thank you. I appreciate it. We're now joined by Seth Fireman, Maritime Domain Program Manager at Hivemind Solutions. Seth, Great to meet you. Great to meet you as well. To start, can you explain what Hivemind is? Hivemind is Shield AI's mission autonomy platform. It's an architecture that allows developers to write, test, and execute autonomous behaviors directly on the edge for robotic platforms. While Hivemind originally focused on aviation systems, its extensibility has allowed us to bring it into the maritime domain through partnerships, including our work with HI. Last year, you announced a partnership with HII in the UK, and here at Indo Pacific, you've shared further developments. Can you walk us through that? Certainly. Last September, we announced our collaboration with HII to integrate Hivemind Enterprise SDK into maritime platforms such as Romulus and Remus. Just 2 months after that announcement, we conducted real-world testing with HII on the Romulus unmanned surface vessel. We successfully integrated Hivemind mission autonomy with HII's platform autonomy and tested it on the water. While there's still more work ahead, the speed and scale of this progress have been extremely encouraging. This rapid development cycle is exactly what modern naval customers are looking for. The autonomy behaviors we're developing are designed to be COLREGS compliant, and as we expand the partnership, we're excited to see how these capabilities will impact unmanned surface and underwater systems for navies around the world. Those tests took place near Virginia Beach. What's next for the project? We'll continue expanding our testing, developing more advanced behaviors, and deepening integration across the entire Hivemind stack, from behavior development to edge execution. There's much more coming, so stay tuned. Thank you very much. Thank you.